everyone, so today's video is on fashion mistakes that you should never make. Now these are kind of a different take on fashion mistakes, but you'll see what I mean in a minute when I get into the video. So I really hope you enjoy this and that it helps you in some way, and let's get to it. So the first mistake is holding on to clothes that don't make you feel good, and I'm talking about those pieces which you put on and every time they just don't look quite right or you don't like how you feel in them. And if you don't feel comfortable in it today, you probably won't tomorrow either, so it's better to just give them away or sell them online to make room for new pieces you will actually wear. The next mistake is always choosing the same safe colours. If you feel like you're always wearing the same things, it could be because you're picking the same colours every time. So look in your wardrobe and pick out things that are the same. I think a common one for everyone would be black. It's such a safe colour and good to have in your wardrobe, but if you wear too much of it, you can get fed up with it and get in a bit of a style rut. So instead, when you put them back in your wardrobe, split them up in between other colourful pieces so you aren't instantly drawn back to them. Mistake 3 is holding on to clothes you just don't wear at all, and these are the pieces which you've had for a few years and you really like, but they've probably got the tags on still. So have a look online for inspiration to see how you can style it, but if you're just waiting for it to come back in fashion, then it's probably best to just move on from it. And this is also the same for clothes you hold on to thinking maybe if I lose some weight I'll want to wear it again. It's such an unhealthy mindset, and you don't want those clothes hogging up space in your wardrobe when you can replace them with some new and flattering pieces instead. You could always give them away to friends or charity, or again sell them online. So I think a lot of us are guilty of buying things and just not wearing them. So next time you buy something, try and make sure it has a dual purpose. So maybe think of a few ways you can style it with things you already have, or think about how it would work in your lifestyle. So see if you can work the item for day and night, or if you can make a look with it for work and on the weekend too. That way you're getting out of the cycle of just buying things and then you just don't know what to wear them with. And if there is something that you really like and that it flatters you and you wear it a lot, you can look for that style again and maybe even get it in another colour too or pattern, because you know that you'd get the wear of it again, if that makes sense. The next mistake is worrying about the size you buy. It's literally just a number so you can roughly work out if it will fit, but not every store follows the same guideline. Just look it up online and you'll see how many people have shown drastic differences in the sizing from different brands. As long as it fits you perfectly and makes you feel good, that is all that matters, and the only person who sees that label is you anyway. So please don't worry about it at all. And finally, don't try too hard to fit in with everyone else and follow trends. Wear the trends that flatter you and the ones you actually like yourself. You can get very caught up online and in magazines telling you what you should buy or what's not in anymore, but really you just need to ignore that and wear whatever you like. So that is it everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because that would mean so much to me. I'm so grateful for every single one of you's support on my channel, it means so much. Have a great day, as I always say, and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.